Hello everyone, this is Pawan Kumar from Learn Digital Academy. Today we will discuss about topic called a line segment tool. Now guys, you want to go to the file menu and select a new document. When you want to select a new document, then guys you want to select 19201080. After that guys you want to create a click button. When you want to create a click button, that time my new document window is open here. Now guys, you want to come to the toolbar. In the toolbar, you want to select the line segment. How do we use the line segment tool means you want to see guys, you want to select the lines means straight lines and horizontal lines you can draw. That is the reason we use this line segment tool. Using the line segment tool, I want to create one letter guys. First, I want to select my line segment tool and I want to select the press shift button and I want to draw the one straight line. After that guys, I want to press alt button and I want to use one duplicate here. When I want to use the duplicate, that time guys, both lines I want to select and I want to increase my stroke size. When I want to increase my stroke size, I want to press again select the move tool and I want to draw here one more duplicate here. After that guys, again I want to select my line segment tool. I want to close here. When I want to close here and I want to press alt button and I want to draw here to here. Again I want to draw here to here and again I want to take one more. Okay. When I want to select this duplicates, then guys I want to select all lines. After that you want to come to the toolbar. Here you want to select the shape builder tool. When you want to select the shape builder tool and I want to select like this and I want to select like this and I want to drag like that time you want to see guys, this line I want to remove means just select the shape builder tool, press alt button and I want to drag top to bottom and I want to drag down to top. Now you want to see guys, I am using my line segment tool and I want to create my H letter. After that you want to come which color you want to select and you can fill the color here. Like that type you want to use this line segment tool. What is the next tool it is there? The next tool it is there, arc tool. Before arc tool I want to create one more artboard here. When I want to select my one more artboard, that time I want to select my arc tool and I want to draw arc shape here. Again I want to draw here like that. That time what happened guys, one flower shape it is coming. When my flower shape it is coming, then guys I want to select both lines and right click on it and I want to create a select a join button. When I want to select a join button and I want to rotate like that, after that guys, which color you want, you can fill the color. When I want to fill the color, after that guys, you want to come to the toolbar here, you want to select the rotate tool. When I want to select the rotate tool here, one symbol it is showing now. That symbol you want to bring down means press alt button and click there. When you want to press alt button and click there, then it is coming to the my rotate property. Here I want to rotate in 30 degrees. After that you want to just click the copy button. When you want to select the copy button, then guys you want to press Ctrl D, then duplicates it is coming. Like that type you want to create one flower shape. Okay, here I am remove the my stroke. Then you want to see guys, here you want to see the one flower shape. Like that type you want to use this arc. And next you want to select the one more artboard tool. Then guys you want to come to the spiral tool. What is the spiral means? You want to do the spiral designs. Then guys you want to see here, I want to draw this one spiral. After that guys, here I want to select the stroke color and I want to increase my stroke size. Okay, when I want to increase my stroke size, here you want to select the strokes width like this type. when I want to select the stroke width and I want to take one more duplicate. After that guys, I am coming to the toolbar. In rotate tool, down one reflect tool it is there. Just I want to double click on it and just click OK. That time my spiral is rotate like this. Then I want to join. When I want to join here, then guys, you want to select the curvature tool. When you want to select the curvature tool and you want to draw one shape here, okay. When I want to draw the shape here, then guys, I want to increase my stroke size, and guys, again I want to select my width. Like the type of designs you want to create, that time we use this spiral tool. And one more thing is there guys, you want to use the mosquito coil. That time also we use the spiral tool. I am selecting the spiral tool. Just select the spiral tool and double click on it, and here around 25 spirals I want to select and just click OK. That time you want to see guys, here my jet coil type it is coming. Just I want to increase my stroke size here. When I want to increase my stroke size, then guys, you want to select the which color jet coil is there, like this color. After that guys, you want to go to the effect menu and you want to select the 3D and extrude and bevel. When I want to select the extrude and bevel, that time my extrude and bevel option is appear here. When it is appear, that time guys, you want to see here. I want to select the extrude option. When I want to select the extrude option, that time my jet coil type it is coming, and you can rotate the jet coil here like this. X position you can rotate. Like that type you want to create the jet coil design using the spiral tool. Like that type you want to use this spiral tool. After that guys, next tool it is there, that is called a rectangular grid tool. Now guys, again I want to select my artboard tool and I want to create my one more artboard here. When I want to create my one more artboard, then guys, you want to select the rectangular grid tool. When I want to use the rectangular grid tool in Google, you want to see the chessboard coin, chessboard. Okay, you want to see guys, here you want to select the chessboard. That time you want to see here 8 by 8, like that type of design it is there. This type of designs you want to create means, that time we use this rectangular grid tool. When I want to come to the toolbar and I want to select the rectangular grid and double click on it, and here 8 rows and 8 columns you want to select. When 8 rows and 8 columns you want to select, then guys, you want to select the selection tool and you want to press shift and alt. You want to increase the size. When you want to increase the size, then guys, you want to just decrease the stroke size. When you want to decrease the stroke size, then guys, you want to see here my boxes it is coming. Then guys, you want to come to the shape builder tool. When you want to select the shape builder tool, which color you want, you can fill the color. Just click one box, leave another box. Like that type you want to do. Again, you want to change any other color. Okay, after that you want to same tool you want to use and you can fill the color here. Like that type you want to create using the rectangular grid tool, and you can create a chessboard. Like that type you want to use this rectangular grid tool, guys. Next, what is the next option? It is there, that is called a polar grid. How to use the polar grid means, first you want to select a one artboard here. When you want to select the artboard, then guys you want to select the polar grid, and you want to press shift and alt, and you can create like this. Using this polar grid, I want to, here I want to type it archery game. When I want to search for the archery game, then you want to see, guys, here this type of design it is there now. This type of design you want to create means, that time you want to use this polar grid. When I want to select the polar grid, guys, then guys you want to come here. Here two types of groups it is there. First, top group I want to close it, and I want to come to the down group. Here how many circles it is there, that many circles it is showing here. In that circle you want to select each and every circle, and you want to fill the color. In second circle you want to select, and you want to fill the color. And third circle you want to select, and you want to fill the color here. And fourth circle you want to select, and you want to fill the another color. And fifth circle you want to select, and you want to fill yellow color. And sixth circle you want to select, and you can fill the black. When you want to fill the color, after that guys you want to remove the stroke here. When you want to remove the stroke, then guys you want to go to the effect menu, and in that effect menu you want to select the 3D and material. In that 3D and material you want to select the extrude and bevel. When you want to select the extrude and bevel, in that one you want to select the extrude option. Then guys you want to do it like, yes, like that type you want to create your this polar. Using the polar grid you want to create this type of shape. Hope the session was informative. We'll catch you up next session.